After several years of intensive use, flooring may show age-related signs of wear. In this case, conventional cleaning is usually no longer sufficient. This is where nora pads come in. The proper use of nora pads will have your nora flooring looking virtually new in no time. Basic requirements for pad usage are cleaning machines and a wet vacuum. Nora pads have 4 levels that are specified by the numbers 0 to 3. Each of the 4 pads has its own area of application, depending on the condition of the flooring and the cleaning phase. Distinctions are made between cleaning, intensive intermediate cleaning, special cleaning, and restoration maintenance. Nora pads allow easy and effective cleaning with water alone. This minimizes the need for harsh cleaning agents while protecting indoor air quality and the environment. The result speaks for itself. With us, you are on the safe side every step of the way. Feel free to contact us. We will be happy to help you.